Hi guys, my name is Mr. Joe Juma, an ICT teacher. Today I'm going to take you through if function in Microsoft Excel. If function is a helpful function which is used to determine conditions and display the results on the cell. For example, if you have marks for students and you want to display the grade pass or fail based on the condition whether the mark is below 50 or above 50, then you will use the if function. The if function takes the following form. It is written using the equal sign, and in the bracket we have three parameters: condition, true value, and the false value. The first part is normally written using a mathematical expression. Like in this example, the cell B2 will contain the mark which is to be tested by the condition. And in this case, assuming the cell B2 has 60, the value of 60 will be tested, and it is of course above 50. And in that case, the grade will be shown as pass. In case B2 contains 45, the condition will be tested, and in that case, the 45 mark is below 50, and the last parameter in the bracket, that is fail, will be displayed. If function is a function which is commonly used by accountants and even anybody who is using Excel to do a lot of tasks which provides different options, and it will be difficult to keep on typing the values based on you yourself making the decision on whether it is meeting this criteria or not. We can understand better how it works by doing this practically. Let's do it practically now in Microsoft Excel. Now, given student marks, as you can see here, where we have a subject, here in this case we have mathematics and English, and this column is showing the marks scored by the student in mathematics and also in English. Now, instead of coming here and determining whether this grade should be pass or fail by looking at the marks yourself and making a decision in your mind, you can let the computer do it for you. That is what we are going to do it now, using the if function. So assuming you want here the grade to appear, and our criteria is, of course, any score which is below 50 is a fail, and any score between 50 and 100 is a pass. We are going to start with the equal sign. Then we're going to type the word if. You can see Microsoft Excel is suggesting for you. Just double click the suggestion. You can now see the first bracket being opened, and we are going to type our condition. We are going to grab the cell where we want the value to be tested is by clicking the cell, put our expression, that is greater sign or equal. It is a mathematical symbol which is used here. Then, of course, we are testing it against 50. This means check cell C3, and whatever is in cell 3, if it is greater or equal to 50, then it should be true by displaying pass. And in case that value is less than 50, of course, it will return false and display fail. Then I'm gonna close the quotes and close my bracket. In this case now, this formula for the function is complete, and I'm going to press enter. Now you can see the computer has calculated and determined the condition to be pass, which is indeed true because 63 is above 50. So I will not go on typing the same formula. What I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate the formula in the next cell to display the grade. And to do that, I will point at this small box, this small black box in the corner of the cell. And when you bring your pointer there, it changes to a black plus sign. I'm going to press down my mouse button and drag the formula down, and I'm going to release it. And now you can see it has determined the grade as fail, which is true because 45 is below 50. This is how we do it. It is an easy thing, but you become perfect on doing it by doing more practice. I'm grateful for your participation in this lesson. See you next time. Thanks, bye.